He's metal. I'll be in a second. So we drove up. What was he's senior?
Yes.
George Senior. We drove to his house.
The junior.
He was not home. Yeah. Wasn't home. We were gonna leave him a note, and he pulled up. He remembered the Honda. He remembered selling it to Owen. We gave him the messed up title, and he's gonna get a new title and get Mildred taken off of it. So as of now, very cool, nice guy. Wild story, and even if we never get the title, it was still fun. And now we're headed here. So this is the road leading to the previous owner of the Honda Civic's house, Clear Spring, Maryland, right on the Pennsylvania border. Beautiful farmland, views of the hills. I'll give you the whole story on the title in a few. Just left George's house. You probably can't hear me because of the wind. I know. I don't care. We're good though. Did he sign it or no?
Oh, I didn't know. It was
No, it's signed by the appropriate owner. Of course, I would never forge a signature. This is a cool spot. Side note. What is this, Clear Spring? Time to fix that. So I'm gonna lay this flat upside down on the table. That's the seam. Get these edges touching. Lay the hinge on this side. Mark the holes. Drill a few holes. You know, 4 on this end, 4 on this end. Get those mounted so it's straight. Flip it over, drill the rest. Should be semi-easy. We finally got the tags and registration for the 78. That is a story, which I'll tell you in a little bit. But we're getting her cleaned up. I'm gonna take her to the Monday night cruise in at Ledo's. So I bought a black piano hinge, 42. I'm gonna cut it here, get it centered. Like I said, mark holes on the bottom, drill a couple, mount it on the top, and then drill the holes from the top. Figure that'll be the easiest, but a bunch of screws and nuts, so this will work. Ooh. Ugh. How nasty is that strut towel? Oh, hey, dab pen. It's not holy yet. Excuse the shadow, but that's gonna work. Yeah. So now I'm gonna drill the rest, run screws the whole way. Time lapse time. So if you haven't watched my previous video where we basically stole the Civic, but long story short, we got the title from the guy that we bought it from. Tried to get it retitled in our names. The MVA Express lady told us somebody was dead on the title. Doing some research, turns out the previous owner lived up in Clear Spring, Maryland, George Sr. His wife had passed away. She was a co-owner on the title, so we, assumed / hoped he was still living at the address. The guy we bought the car from said he bought it from George, so we crossed our fingers, drove the hour and a half up to beautiful Clear Spring, Maryland. He wasn't home initially, but pulled up while we were there. Nicer, older gentleman. Remembered the car very fondly, loved the car, and said, "Oh, I guess you need us, or you need me to get my wife off the title so you can get a new title," and offered to go to the MVA, do it on his own time. Did it, called us that night, said he found her death certificate, which he would need at the MVA. Called 3 days later, said he did it, I'll call you when I have it, and actually called us about 3-4 days later and wanted to meet up and go to dinner and give us the title and everything. He had to cancel on dinner because of bad storms, but we're going to schedule it for later, which is awesome. So everything's good. Everything worked out. We ended up not taking the Honda Civic to the Monday night cruise in because the fuel pump took a crap, so we're going to swap that out and then really do some maintenance on her and get her roadworthy. So have a good one. It ain't perfect, but it's better than it was. I like it. Looks a little industrial. I'll take it. If I really get tired of those, I'll take a cut off wheel and trim them down, but I ain't too worried about that. So, call that fixed. Take that mirror off.
I have something.
Did you like the dash? Yeah, but you can see through. Couldn't see through them before. They're so cool. Way cool.